Welcome back to another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. In this video, we'll show you how to remove and replace the control panel on this GE top-load washer. Stop! Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, remove the 4 selector knobs by pulling straight off. Next, remove the 3/4 inch screws along the back of the control panel. With the screws removed, lift up on the control panel, shift it to the right to disengage the tabs, and roll it forward to lay it down on its face. Remove the pressure switch hose and electrical connections by pulling straight off. Then, using a flat blade screwdriver, lift up on the metal tab on the bottom of the switch while gently twisting counterclockwise and pull the switch out. Now remove the Molex connectors from the main control board, with the exception of the jumper connector with the yellow wire. Each connector has a tab or tabs that must be depressed in order to pull it out. Remove the 2/4 inch screws from the secondary board and pull it up through the console. Next, remove the 2/4 inch screws on the main board. With all of the screws removed, lift up the rear of the main board and pull the 2 boards out together. Now, we can set the control panel aside. To install the control panel, first set it in place on top of the washer. Lay the 2 control boards in place, making sure to line up the screw holes with the posts on the panel. Now, install the 4/4 inch screws to secure both boards. With the boards securely attached, install the 4 Molex connectors to the main board. Each connector is a different size and shape, so you cannot mix them up. Bring the pressure switch into place, making sure to start the metal tab before the slanted plastic piece on the control panel, and then rotate it clockwise to lock it into place. Reinstall the pressure switch hose by pressing straight on. Make sure the hose is fully seated over the valve. Next, reinstall the 2 electrical connectors to the switch. These are differently sized, so they cannot be mixed up. To reinstall the control panel, start to rock it back into place, lining up the 3 tabs with the 3 slots on the top panel. Slide the panel to your left as you bring it up to lock the tabs into the top. Now, reinstall the 3/4 inch screws along the top rear. And this will complete your repair. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.